In a vast ocean, far from the shore, there lived a young lobster named Larry. Larry was unlike any other lobster in the ocean, for he had a peculiar ability: he could speak. One day, Larry noticed a beautiful red pearl hidden deep within the crevices of a rocky outcrop. The pearl was mesmerizing, its radiance casting a warm, inviting glow. Larry felt an irresistible pull towards it. Larry, eager to possess the pearl, began his journey to reach it. But the path was treacherous, filled with sharp corals and hungry sharks. Larry moved cautiously, adapting to each obstacle with patience. A crab, noticing Larry's determination, approached him. "Why do you seek that pearl, Larry?" he asked. "It is not easy to reach, and many have failed." Larry, undeterred, replied, "I seek the pearl because it is beautiful, and I desire to own it. But if I cannot reach it, I will find another treasure." The crab chuckled. "You may find another treasure, Larry, but the real treasure is the patience you demonstrate. Patience is a rare and valuable quality, one that leads to wisdom and success." Larry pondered the crab's words. He realized that the journey itself was more important than the destination. He continued on, moving slowly, carefully, and with patience. After many days and nights, Larry finally reached the pearl. He picked it up, feeling its smooth surface and admiring its beauty. But instead of feeling a sense of satisfaction, Larry felt a deep sense of accomplishment. He turned to the crab, who was still watching from a distance. "Thank you for your wisdom," Larry said. "I understand now that the true treasure was the patience I gained on this journey." From that day on, Larry carried the pearl with him wherever he went. But he never forgot the lessons he learned on his journey, and he shared them with everyone he met. He became known far and wide as the patient lobster, wise and admired by all. And so, the story of Larry serves as a reminder to us all. Patience is a virtue that, when cultivated, can lead to wisdom, success, and true treasure.